Hi, I'm Ariane of the International Koalition of Krones. Thanks for joining me for the animal medicine message for the week beginning 3rd of August. In the same way that kangaroo is iconic for my country, Australia, the animal who's visiting with us today is iconic for the USA. The medicine that we're being gifted today, the knowledge and wisdom, comes from buffalo. In the 18th century, it's estimated that there were around 60 million buffalo roaming the Great Plains. Yet, a short 100 years or so later, in 1889, there were only 541 of them left. 541 buffaloes from 60 million 100 years or so earlier. Human greed. That's what almost brought these magnificent animals to extinction. And the Native Americans, a chief was known to say that the heart of the people fell to the ground at this time. I suspect that there's very few people who haven't heard of the prophecy of the white buffalo calf woman. Basically, it's saying that there will come a time when the earth, being ravaged and polluted, mankind as we know it will all but cease to exist. And at this time, white buffalo woman will return in the form of a white buffalo calf to help heal the planet and to usher in a time of unity for mankind. And it's for this reason that a white buffalo calf is considered the most sacred animal on earth. In so many ways, it seems that that time prophesied is upon us. The earth is ravaged and polluted. Mankind is changing. We hear and see so little of what we know humans can be, the beautiful, loving, compassionate and giving aspects. We don't see them so much as, we know they're there, but we don't see them. Instead, we tend to focus on the hatreds, the fears, the finger pointing, the anger, the mistrust. And we should know better, especially starseeds and light workers. We should know better. It's basic law of attraction. We should know that the things we focus on, the things we give energy to, these are the things that we'll get. And so, buffalo joins us today as a sacred omen of change. So I ask that you listen to his message. I ask that you close your eyes, breathe gently, let your body relax. Allow the words to flow over you and through you. Feel the energy of this message and know that you can draw upon buffalo energy whenever needed. Buffalo is of the earth. He helps us to remain grounded when things are flying out of control. He's powerful. He epitomizes harmonious living, balanced community. Buffalo walks a sacred path, and all things under the sky and on the earth are connected through buffalo medicine. He gives us the strength to carry heavy burdens, but encourages us to leave behind emotional baggage. He teaches us to wait with patience and with confidence, to live in gratitude and to honour the gifts that we've been given and hold the lessons learned. He tells us to remain true to self. Feel these energies. Draw upon these energies, the energy of buffalo, to help you through these times, to help you see the way forward. Thank you. I am Auri'An of the International Koalition of Krones. Thank you for joining me in this sacred work. Don't forget to subscribe and please join us on Facebook. And I look forward to sharing another message next week from the animal world. Geisha in.